Hi everyone. We're going to go through what Slide Master feature within the PowerPoint application for Microsoft does and how it can help you with your presentations in the future. So first of all, what Slide Master is, it is basically designing your own sort of templates within the PowerPoint presentation. So importantly, it allows you to make standardized backgrounds if it can't be edited within this environment as currently, which means that if you're doing it to collaborative team environment and you won't deal with any background effects all the time and running into them, this is how you can manage it. Also, it allows for team environments to have the same sort of slide pack template design without needing to constant adjustments or passing your files around, moving around. Now, first of all, a good example of this is over here. Over here is where you kind of see the template slide master packs. So if you were to put this one over here, for example, you can see it's the same in every one. And you can change through them. Now, how do you edit them or add new things? Alright, so let's go View, Slide Master. And as you can see, it's on the blank. So this is your master. So for context, this means everything on here is everything else below it. So a good example of this would be, say, a company logo. So let's just start with a blank company logo that is generic. Now, this is not a very good image, but it'll do for this purpose. Now, in every page, you can see it's there now. So we've established sort of a parent template design for everything below it. Now, these are really children, they inherit everything on this one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this one to our sort of banner one, for example, just for context on individual child setup you can play with. So we've got, let's grab some corporates, grab some random stuff. So just say, for example, this one you want to have that banner. Alright, and for one below it, you can have another banner. And let's say, for example, you want another piece of something else in there. I don't know. That'll do for now. So now you've seen two different styles of slides you can do, but all of them have the same generic company name, which is pretty universal across anything you do for university or work-based. So now let's move on to what else you can do. So you can add sort of foothold notes. So you can add a picture, it's always in here, or it's chart or table, it's always present. Anything you generally use, you can make it so it's always here, and you can't really do too much with it. Now your footers and headers, you can rename your edit. You can apply the standard themes. You can change the color schemes within the background for that particular slide or for the master for all of them. You can choose your font for that to follow through the whole thing. You can have effects of products in there. You can change the background color. And you can hide background graphics, which is another feature. You got your size, depending on what you're trying to do or the situation. So now you've seen some of the layout here. So when you click close, it takes you back to the front. Now as you can see, we've got a blank. But what's changed? We now have our two added items we worked on before. So now we can change it to that, or we can change it to the other one. We've now created a really useful way of templating our whole presentation for whatever you need it for. The application for this can be personalized to your individual needs, but my most common need is slide decks for the university or for a work placement or a work opportunity, something for work. I just simply make something that matches a corporate stand type or what they give me, and I use this feature to have a slide deck always on hand, so I can make something really quick. So within a few hours, all I have to worry is about core content and any modifications based on running with this graphics. But the graphics usually provided by the companies I work for to actually do this correctly. So I hope this helps you out with your future endeavors using PowerPoint and Slide Master. And thank you and enjoy your day. Have a nice day.